Johnny Lightning Dodge Monaco versus the Matchbox Dodge Monaco. Johnny Lightning, basically more detailed, different light bar, hood opens, stuff, and about the same length. Johnny Lightning doesn't have wheel views though, and Matchbox does. More detail on the side Matchbox is. Johnny Lightning has numbers actually. Let me see that here. Well, it says 237. So the car would not have Dodge written right there. Stuff. The grill on the monitor, the Johnny Lightning's more detailed too. It's not going to my city. It's going actually over here with the rest of my collection. That's actually part of the city though. Thank you.